Nestled in a pine grove near Houston Zoo and Herman Park, you'll find an island of serenity known as the Japanese Tea Garden. Come stroll our shaded paths, enjoy the beauty of the flowers, spend a moment in quiet reflection, and escape into a distant land. The Japanese Garden Herman Park was built on the daimyo style, a traditional design that dates back to the 17th, 18th, and 19th century stroll gardens. Like most stroll gardens, the 5-acre oasis is designed around a sequence of landscape elements which comes together in a work of living art. It exemplifies the philosophical and artistic attitude of the designer and combines elegant simplicity with traditional designs to fit in harmony with the park's topography and Texas roots. Come stroll our shaded paths, enjoy the beauty of the flowers, spend a moment in quiet reflection, and escape into the land of the rising sun.